Today we are going to show you the best DJI drones you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best DJI drones for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you the best tech products which you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering DJI drones, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro is the flagship drone in the Mavic 3 series and is the first triple-camera consumer/prosumer drone in the world. It comes with a 20MP 4/3 main camera and 70mm and 166mm telephoto cameras, making it the most versatile Mavic drone to date. The drone produces great image quality, but it weighs over 31.74 ounces/900 g, which puts it in the C2 European drone category and makes it more restricted than models weighing less than 31.74 ounces/900 g. The Mavic 3 Pro uses the same 5000 mAh batteries as previous models, but due to the additional weight, advertised flight times have been reduced from 46 to 43 minutes. However, the drone performs exceptionally well in flight, and there is no significant difference in performance between the Mavic 3 Pro and other Mavic 3 models. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The Air 3 drone has a unique position in the market. It offers more features than the Mini 3 Pro, but is bigger and heavier. It has similar features to the Mavic 3 but lacks an adjustable aperture in the main camera. It is best suited for those who need a drone with more power than the Mini models and a dual camera, yet prefer something smaller, lighter, and less expensive than the Mavic 3 models. The Air 3 also has a feature called Master Shots that allows it to perform diverse camera movements automatically. It can shoot multiple clips and edit them with music, cuts, and effects for fast and simplified cinematic footage. The Air 3 supports 2.7K vertical shooting with both cameras, which gives vertical footage a dynamic look when capturing landscapes or subjects. Two 4:3 aspect ratio CMOS sensors provide enough space for vertical crops that maintain a 2.7K resolution and are optimized for smartphone viewing. This means images are ready to share on social media without any cropping needed in post. The Air 3 also has a next-gen 04 HD video transmission system that provides a max range of 20 km and an ultra-smooth 1080p/60 fps max quality live feed. It ensures enhanced transmission performance and increased stability. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a drone designed for creators who are always on the go. With a compact body weighing less than 600 g and a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it offers powerful automatic functions that allow you to capture stunning details of your world from the sky. Even in low-light scenes, the high dynamic range, high resolution, and accurate color reproduction make the captured footage sharp and vibrant. The 10-bit D-Log-M color profile of DJI Air 2S captures 1 billion colors, which enables you to immerse yourself fully in the hues of your environment. Additionally, the drone can shoot RAW format photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.6 stops, providing more flexibility in post-processing and giving creators more options to get the desired look. The DJI Air 2S also features Master Shots, the next evolution of quick shots. It is an advanced intelligent feature that captures the best shots in any location with just a tap. By selecting your subject, the drone will film while executing 10 different maneuvers in sequence, keeping your subject center frame and generating a short cinematic video afterward. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Take off whenever inspiration strikes. Weighing less than 249 grams, Mini 4 Pro was designed for convenience on the go. Its weight means there is no need for training or examinations in most countries and regions. With Mini 4 Pro's camera, powered by a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor featuring dual native ISO fusion, a f/1.7 aperture, and 2.4 micrometers 4:1 pixels, you can capture more complex details easily. The high dynamic range feature provides more highlight and shadow details, resulting in uncompromising results in every frame. Mini 4 Pro is also mighty safe, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It has 4 wide-angle vision sensors and a pair of downward vision sensors that detect obstacles from all angles. The Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems (APAS) ensures additional safety by enabling automatic braking and bypassing during flight. You can leave battery concerns behind and stay focused on creation with Mini 4 Pro's intelligent flight battery. This battery provides up to 34 minutes of flight time. You can upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus to enjoy an extra-long 45-minute max flight time. The newly upgraded ActiveShots 360 degrees can achieve diverse camera movements to fit each shooting scenario. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, Mini 4 Pro can plan flight routes and bypass obstacles, achieving smoother and more stable dynamic shots. Whether you are running, biking, or skateboarding, you can transform into a real-time director creating cinematic videos for yourself, even if you are a solo adventurer. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE. DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight drone that weighs less than 249 g and fits in the palm of your hand, just as light as an apple. It is a perfect travel companion that can capture your favorite moments. With up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and excellent anti-interference capabilities, you can fly farther and see clearer. The drone has a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, providing more than enough time to capture the perfect shot. Mini 2 SE can fly steady and reliably, keeping your footage stable even in environments with level 5 winds, up to 38 kilometers per hour. The DJI Fly app provides clear instructions and easy-to-follow flying tutorials, helping you to get started quickly. With a combination of GNSS, downward vision, and infrared sensing systems, the aircraft can hover stably in the air. Smart RTH, low battery RTH, and fail-safe RTH features give you more confidence and peace of mind during flight. With just a few taps, DJI Mini 2 SE automatically records and shoots professional-level videos that you can share directly on social media. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer, the DJI Fly app helps you to produce impressive results complete with soundtracks and filters. Lightcut intelligently recommends video templates of different styles and automatically adds music and effects, making it effortless to create stunning videos. The drone's 1/2.3-inch CMOS camera delivers 12MP photos and up to 2.7K videos. You can record beautiful moments with family and friends, or capture the full scope of natural scenery on a trip. DJI Mini 2 SE can add something special to any creative idea. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.